Hello guys, show you how you can share file folders, videos, text files, any type of files from your Kali Linux machine to other devices such as laptops, tabs, phones, PCs without internet. We will using Wi-Fi hotspot. We will create a hotspot for sharing the files. So for this first we will need a Apache server. So let's first download the Apache server. So open the terminal and type this command to download the Apache server. Sudo apt-get install Apache 2. I will be writing the commands in description. You can take go and check it there. So it's installing, downloading and installing. It will be taking a bit to download and install. So let's wait for a second or a minute and let it install. The advantage of this technique is that only the person you with whom you will sharing your Wi-Fi password and will be able to connect to the Wi-Fi password will be able to access your data, not everyone. So here we have downloaded and installed the Apache server. Let me clear it. Okay, now the next step is turn off the internet and create the Wi-Fi hotspot. For this, go to the Wi-Fi settings. So here's the Wi-Fi setting. In Wi-Fi setting, go to this three type lines button, click on it, and here you will see turn on Wi-Fi hotspot. So turn it on. So now our Wi-Fi hotspot is turned on. Now you can connect the devices on which you want your data. So now let's start the Apache server. So the command to start the Apache server is service Apache to start. Now your Apache server will be started. Just go and connect the devices with your Wi-Fi. The device you want to get the data on, means files you want to download or access, go and connect it from there. So now we will be copying the files and folders we want to share. So I want to share these two files, so let's copy. Now we have to paste it in a certain folder to get it shared. So open the files and then go on others location and then go on the hard drive or the location where your Kali machine is installed. So in this case, my case, it's installed in this computer. Then go to where folder, then go to www folder, and then inside go to HTML and paste your files and folders, anything here. So I've pasted it now. Now go back to a terminal and we will needing a IP address to access these, the IP address of your Wi-Fi hotspot to access these files. So to get the IP address, type ifconfig in the terminal to know the IP address. It will show all the IP addresses of the adapters there are. So my Wi-Fi hotspot is LAN 0. So here is the IP address of my Wi-Fi hotspot, 1042. Just copy it. So now open the web browser in your phone or laptop, on whichever. First connect that phone or laptop with the hotspot of this laptop and then open the browser there. So I'm opening a browser in my machine only. So I assume that you have opened the browser in your phone which is connected to this laptop using Wi-Fi. Now type the IP address here and click enter. It's loading little bit. Yeah, so if you will see this page, that means that your Apache server is working well. So now to access your files and folders, just put a backslash and the name of the file and folder that you have shared. Like in my case, I have shared this exp folder, so just backslash and type exp. So here we go. Here are the files and folders. These files and folders are being shared to another devices without internet. I have shared one more thing, this video. Let's play it. Go on the browser back, just backspace and write the video. It's nippon.web and click enter. So here you see the video is playing, the video that I've shared. So like in this way you can share, just copy the files in this folder and the files will be shared. Just connect that tablet, mobile or phone with the hotspot of this computer and just open the browser and type the IP address with slash with IP address, then slash and the file name you want to access, and then you can access the file from anywhere. So now everything is done. Now if you want to stop the Apache server, so again type service Apache to stop. Now it will stop your Apache server and you will no longer be able to access the files and videos. Like for example, see, I click this, now it will showing unable to access this page because you have stopped the Apache servers. So in this way you can share files and folders from your Kali Linux device to another tablets, phones, PCs. So thank you. See you soon.